is a swastika spinner. A swastika spinner. Oh.
Initiating.
Welcome back to my daily grind. Create yourself. That's what it's all about. One day, one step in the right direction. I'm Chris and I'm only here to show you if I can do it, then you can do it as well. It is Tuesday. I know I'm a bit late, but nevertheless, it is time to take sides. And I'm definitely against mass media. I am with PewDiePie. So let's help him to kill the Nazis. He already gave Hitler himself a nutshot. Damn, that was so epic. But he did not destroy their symbols. And that's what I will do today. If you remember this thing. It's outrageous. What is this? It's a swastika spinner. A swastika spinner. How did that happen? This was so stupid. I got so many stupid comments on this vlog. Ridiculous. So let's get rid of this thing. I will see you in a bit. No, you definitely cannot buy this. I never meant to offend anyone. Let's make up for my sins. Let's destroy this. Wall Street Journal, you're gonna suffer. I'm Chris. And I'm... God damn it. And I am... an elite sniper. Why did... An elite sniper. Let's wreck some shit. God damn it. By the way, this baby puts out 30 joules. I'm always so sorry for my dudes from Germany. Limited to 7.5 joules. It's nothing. Europe is a bit weird, you know, you're not allowed to own weapons. But Austria is a bit funny because you're allowed to buy really powerful air rifles. Up to 100 joules, I guess. So if I have the spare cash, I will definitely buy a huge air gun. But anyways, let's do this. Let's kill the swastika hand spinner. Oh, that is useless. Okay, that is useless. That is actually useless. Let me help you. Oh my god! Are you serious? This is amazing. I was PewDiePie. No. That was so bad. This is such a waste, but let's go for the bearing. How is that? Oh my god! What? How is that possible? How is that possible? What? It is still turning. Oh, the Mamba right there. Well, why not? Right? Let's have a little bit more fun. Don't do this to me! Rest in pieces. Oh, come on. Ooh, damage. I just ripped out. It's hard. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, that is crazy. Check this out. Damn. That is so crazy. It took out so much. I'm so sorry for that. Oh no. Okay, that is crazy. I guess this concludes this vlog. Okay, that was just amazing. Anyways, I will see you tomorrow. Take 'em.